All of you have heard of what recently happened to an army major and his fiancée at a police station here at Bhubaneswar. This is very, very shocking news of the violence that was meted out to both of them and the alleged sexual assault on the major's fiancée. We demand a full judicial inquiry into this matter, and action must be taken very quickly.
Sir, DCP is telling that modern police station of Bharatpur was inaugurated by your government. So, in such a model police station, why is it not being installed?
Well, now as they've announced quite clearly, they've been there in government for more than 100 days. They've had enough time to see to all this. In the time of our government, we had a program where I and my ministers would ring up the telephone, the police stations, to ask if there were any complaints from any of the people who visited the police station.
What is BJP's stand on the one nation, one election, which was recently approved by the Indian government?
The announcement of the one nation, one election stand, which was recently announced by the Union government. We are awaiting the details of that before we comment on it.
Some lakhs of devotees in Tirupati has been cheated after the temple emerged that the Tirupati laddu was made of beef fat, pig fat with beef. So how do you see this incident?
On the face of it, it is very shocking. We will await the details to find out the full picture.
So one last question. How do you rate BJP government's past 100 days, which was completed?
I think all of you will see clearly what is happening in the law and order situation, that no action has been taken about the violence meted out by the governor's son to a officer on duty, the recent event on the army major and his fiancée, the strong news of corruption on all fronts of the state, and the general incompetence of the state government. Thank you.